Furnishings.
Welcome back. The time now is 9:17 on your Monday morning, and it's not as sunny as it was when we were waking up on Sunday morning. A little bit of cloud cover and also some patchy fog still going on in portions of the PD. Right now, though, most of the southeast is seeing very calm and dry conditions. We are going to be watching for this cold front to be moving through. Temperatures will get knocked down a little bit, but the bigger weather headline is going to be on the tropics. A landfall on the Gulf Coast is expected by the end of the week, likely Thursday night into early Friday morning. That will bring rain for the Carolinas. The details on that are coming up. Just know that it is pretty calm right now, but we have a lot of humidity around, so an isolated shower or storm still possible for today, similar to how it was yesterday. The visibility really not an issue for the Grand Strand. It is mainly going to be in portions of Darlington County, Columbia, Camden, and Sumter. Less than a mile of visibility at the moment, but again, temperatures will be warming very quickly, so the fog is going to be lifting. Technically not quite as hot. In terms of the heat index, 99 yesterday for Florence, around 95 for today. So it'll feel a little bit better, but again, it's technically fall, and this is not fall-like weather around for today. We are going to have a couple more mostly sunny days for today and tomorrow before the clouds build, and eventually that tropical rain will be getting here. This futurecast now, the late morning, seeing that cloud cover kind of hanging around. There's pockets, though, where the sunshine is going to be peeking through. You'll notice a couple of sprinkles mainly stay in the Midlands, but they are around for today and tomorrow as well. Tuesday, 5 a.m., a little bit of some light rain for the Carolinas. Still waiting for this cold front to be moving through. And we're going to see the rain increasing kind of normally as the front is approaching, but then the tropical rain is going to be coming from the south. This is the GFS model indicating landfall will be for Thursday night. It is a quick moving system. It's going to be staying to our west. We are going to have the onshore flow, so we'll watch for coastal flooding. We're also going to have to watch for quick spin up tornadoes and pockets of some pretty heavy rain, but the rainfall projections are not crazy with this system, mainly because it is moving so fast. So that landfall in Thursday is from this area, which is still down in the Caribbean, has a 90% chance for developing, and honestly, it's likely to do that even later today, if not by tomorrow, organizing into a tropical storm. We also have a wave off the coast of Africa, which now also has a high chance for developing. But the good news is that one's going to be curving out to sea, so we have to focus on this area, which right now is being designated as Invest 97. So right now, and into the next coming days, by the early morning on Wednesday, it's really not moving too fast at this point. So 2 days for it to get out of the Caribbean. And notice that your spaghetti plots are very close together, indicating a pretty decent level of confidence in what this storm is going to be doing in terms of the track. The intensity is still a little bit up in the air, but notice most of the landfall is expected along the Florida panhandle and then continuing almost exactly to the north. And then it's going to get caught up in a trough and maybe do a little bit of a loop-de-loop. But regardless, this storm could end up being extremely strong. Most models are indicating that rapid intensification will occur when it's in the Gulf of Mexico, and a major hurricane by the time we get to Thursday is not out of the question. So not a lot of time for preparations in Florida's Gulf Coast. The rainfall forecast for us is really, again, not crazy. The blue is about an inch. Areas of purple are 2 to 3. So 1 to 3 inches of rain possible. The highs for today, low 80s and even low 90s for portions of the Midlands. For Columbia, you feel like temperatures will be in the 90s for inland and around 87 at the beaches. Above average temperatures for tonight staying in the lower 70s. At the beaches, winds southeast at 6 to 12. The water temperatures at 79. In your 7-day forecast, mostly sunny for today, partly sunny through the middle of the week. Rain chances gradually increasing. Watching for tropical moisture around on Thursday. It's going to be a warm